At one point, a visibly upset Willis, calling the misconduct allegations against her a lie during today's hearing. Let's get more today on the dramatic testimony from Fox 5's Sharon Crowley, who joins us live in studio. Sharon.
Yes, Stephen and Natasha, the stakes are high for Fulton County DA Fani Willis. Her personal and professional reputation are both on the line, and it could also put the progress of the election interference case she brought against Donald Trump in jeopardy.
It's highly offensive when someone lies on you, and it's highly offensive when they try to implicate that you slept with somebody the first day you met with them, and I take exception to it.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis firing back at the opposing lawyer, questioning her about her relationship with Nathan Wade. Wade is the lead lawyer prosecuting former President Donald Trump's Georgia election interference case. This hearing coming because Trump's legal team is trying to get DA Willis removed from the case, alleging she had an improper romantic relationship with Wade. At one point during her testimony, Willis objected to records being requested of flights she took with Wade.
I object to you getting records. You've been intrusive into people's personal lives. You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial, no matter how hard you try to put me on trial.
Wade also answered questions about his personal romantic relationship with Willis that has since ended.
Did you not, by May the 30th, 2023, have had sexual relations with Miss Willis, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is essentially a pretrial hearing. The judge is deciding whether DA Willis should be disqualified. Doing so at this point could derail the case and potentially cause a change of venue and significant delays. Criminal defense lawyer James Kasoris explains how the judge will make his decision.
The disqualification would be meritorious only if it could be proven that the hiring of Wade gave him a financial incentive in order to seek a conviction as opposed to justice. In other words, that he had skin in the game in terms of what the outcome was.
Well, DA Willis is expected to return to the witness stand tomorrow to continue to answer questions. And if she is disqualified, a council that supports prosecuting attorneys in Georgia would find a new lawyer to take over who could either proceed with the charges against Trump and 14 others or drop the case altogether. Natasha.
Yeah, quite the day in court. Sharon, thank you.